Yung dahon ng apricot. Parang same lang din sila sa apple. Alam niyo, paborito ng nanay at tatay ko to. Sa Pilipinas, palagi sila bumibili ng ng peach. Ganyan. Chun. Katulad din siya sa peach. Pili tayo ng pork. Ayan. So guys, we are home. Tapos yun, magpe-prepare ng breakfast. Kasi later, we are going to pick up kasi kahapon, nag-pick up kami ng mga meat doon sa aking in-law. So, Damascus, what is that? I don't know what is, I forgot again, what is it called? Basta, yun. Hanapin ko muna yung isab ko na lang yung So, yun, mamumuha tayo. Kasi sobrang dami na. Last year, wala siya masyadong bunga. But this year, sobrang dami. So, we are going to pick up that fruit. Sobrang dami. So, ayan, nag-boil ako ng water. Kasi, magre-reheat ako ng ating pandesal. Tapos, after dito, tsaka kami alis. Kasi alis yung asawa ko. May ka-meet up sa ng mga computer parts. So, yun. So, we're gonna eat our breakfast. Tapos, na din ako nag-defrost ng meat para sa ating lunch later. So, tingnan natin. Ayan, guys. As you can see, dito tayo sa industrial area. Ito malapit sa amin. How long we go, Papa? 5 minutes?
Well, something like that.
No? No, not 5 minutes.
Let's say 5 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes coming here. Yan, makikita nyo. More yan dito sa mga moldy.
You have to go more up.
More up.
I'm not 100% sure anymore where was Arevalo, but it's somewhere here. This road.
So, ayan. Pupunta tayo. Hindi, mag-ikot-ikot lang pala. Kasi dito malapit din meet up ng asawa ko yung kapalitan niya ng mga what company is this? Makapag-apply nga dito. Kasi hindi naman ako marunong mag-Portuguese. Ito, manufacturing. Ito ay mga nagsusupply ng different wood, no?
This is where they make wood.
They make wood.
Yes.
Different sizes.
And then the excess of the wood, they use it for the soil of the flowers.
So guys, so nice there. There's a lot of flowers. Gusto ko siya puntahan.
You put a guy here, we can check.
Yeah, I want to see. Maybe it's a part of the company. I cannot go at the back, Papa. It's part of the company, Papa.
Part of the company?
Yes. Cannot go there. It's so nice there, flowers. Yes, it's part of the company. We cannot go there. It's a private.
Want me to ask?
Look at that. So nice. The flowers there. Maybe they're only, they can go there. Look at that. Look, tingnan nyo,
They're building here.
Ang bulaklak, It's okay, Papa. It's okay. It's okay. Yan. Ang ganda ng bulaklak sa likod ng kumpanya. It's pink. Many wood, This is the wood company in the front, the back.
That is big. It's very big. We're on the back side. Because they use everything. The bark will be mashed and then used for the plants. They have any kind of wood you can imagine. Any price. If they don't have, they can order. You can see.
So nice the flowers, the flowers on the side.
Yes, there's the
Yeah, we'll go there. We'll go there.
Okay.
So nice
You can
flowers.
put the car here. You can walk there. No problem. There's no company area, so
Yeah.
no problem.
Tingnan natin yung here. You can put it here, no? Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ha?
You can go there.
I don't know if I can climb. Ganda, Someone is climbing, fighting.
But you bring the right shoes for it.
So nice. Look at the flowers. So beautiful. So nice, no?
Yes.
Look at that. Beautiful, So beautiful, guys. The flower,
And okay, you have different colors together.
Yeah. Spring na.
Yeah.
So many beautiful flowers.
But now where there is sand, there is this type of plant.
Oh, it's beautiful. I like it, pink. That's Beatrice. I will show Beatrice later the pink. So nice. And then, again, but you cannot plant it in the house. It will only die. Last time, remember that we pick up something. Then
I can go that road there. Let's sneak peek there.
Sneak peek.
There's a road. There's another mold company. This is why I go to the car inspection, is there?
Ah, it's only there. I think.
Right around the corner.
Sana makahanap din ako ng work dito, no? Production supervisor, or mechanical engineer, maintenance,
Companies here.
no? Unlike sa Spain, yung ano nila, yung Spanish na teaching, it's free. And it's those, anytime you can, you can select schedule. Walang ganun, ewan ko dito. Ewan ko sa Lisbon, but maybe sa Lisbon na, madaming doon, Pilipino, nag-aaral din sila. So anyway, we're going to my in-laws na. We're going to pick up fruit.
Harvest.
Huh?
Harvest, right?
Or harvest fruit. Dahil nga pinapakuha sa akin kahapon. So, this time, we forgot to bring water later again.
What the? The water bottle.
Yeah, I told you we would make it today.
I forgot.
So, nakalimutan namin magdala ng patol. So, yun. As until now, I cannot still remember the Damascus. What is Damascus? Pakita ko naman sa inyo kasi green yan dito. Ang ganda din dito. Malapit na to sa amin. Ayan. Sobrang green. Sobrang green dito. Ang ganda tingnan. Sa potato field there. Ito, yan po ay, paper tree yan ha. Ayan. Yan po yung paper tree, intended for paper po yan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kung pinuputol yan. Unlike sa Philippines, we don't have that. So,
It's to make the very swampy, wet areas drier.
So guys, naalala ko na. Hindi ko na naalala. Sinearch ko sa Google. Thank you sa Google. Lagi tayo nasisave ng Google. Ang labas ko ay apricot. Yun. And it's like a small peach. Kasi yung peach malalaki. Ito yung maliit. Actually, favorite ko to. Yung fruit na to. Dahil, lalo na pag siya ripe, super ripe, sobrang tamis. So, tingnan natin. Mamaya. Mag-vlog-vlog na naman ako. Tapos magkilay ni Lolo nito. Vlog ako to. Or you have to make video while I'm picking up.
Okay.
How about that, Papa? You will vlog.
It's the sickness of weather. Ew, no. Oi.
Oi!
Então, só tenho uma mão. Lá.
Oh, we're going. Not all good, no?
Nope. Rosa. Ah, ok.
Sim, mas não espaço de uma rovinha.
Ah, here. No, Lola side. Lola side is a lot on her side.
Enough na? What are we going to...
Pick up, help her to pick up.
Huh?
Ah, there are more. Wait, there is more. Está mesmo madura. Está aqui com ele? Está mesmo madura.
Still okay. The ripe is in the top. It's nice, oh.
Anda cá. Anda cá. Oh, olha bolas.
Não forem
boas, fica
aí para a mãe.
Está bem. Isto também pode facilmente.
É uma árvore.
Mas são nitos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too many. This year, so many, no?
Isto tem muitos.
It's a lot this year.
Tem muitos, tá?
Isto nem sequer foi preciso fazer nada, sou sozinho.
Ah, it's almost falling na, no?
Mantém um saco, uma pôs dentro.
Hã?
Mantém um saco, uma pôs dentro.
O quê?
No, need that. Come on.
Mama vai scolare che si chiama Gonzalo.
Não, para a mãe.
Ah, tá, mas não, mas vai apanhando e vai comendo.
Oi. Também já está estragado por isso.
We'll pick up for Lola. I will eat. No, that's for Lola. So, look at this guys. Oh. Sobrang dami na. Ayan, yan yung puno.
Yeah, this tree is really brittle.
No, that's why it's split, no?
Yes.
Guys, apricot from the,
How much it costs in Philippines?
I don't know, I never tried this in Philippines. Yeah, this is the apricot tree.
Make a nice
Yung
yogurt.
kinuha natin. It's so nice so nice yung tree.
Ikaw.
Ito dami pa Hirap naman ito, kainin na naman natin to.
My lovers, but yeah.
What are you tuwad-tuwad there, Papa? He is fixing something. So, nakakuha na yung apricot. Ito na yung nakuha natin. At saka, ilagay natin ito sa ating fruit tray. Sobrang dami. So, piliin natin to which one is the soft one na pwedeng kainin. Ouch. At saka, ilagay natin yan dito. So, lagyan natin ng towel. Kasi yung apricot ay nagtatae. So, tatae. Lagyan natin ng towel baka just in case na magano yung apricot, magtatae. Iyan natin to. Ouch. ay. So, yeah. Let's come here. Ito, lagay natin dito. Ito yung malaki. Ato pa ha, may kakainin pa ako kasi alam nyo bakit? Yung peach na binigay sa akin. Wala namang kumakain ng prutas ito sa bahay. Ako lahat. So, I need to eat this one also. Yung peach, madami siya. Kainin ko din to. Pipilitin ko yung sarili ko na kumain ng peach. Okay? Tapos, dalhin natin dito yung apricot. Damasco. Damasco to sa Portuguese. Sa English is apricot. Ayan. So, thanks to God. Actually, sobrang dami doon. Kaso, paano ko naman ito kakainin? Ayan. Umpisa naman kasi ng fruit season. So, ayan. Tapos, medyo madami. Uy, hinog na. Kaya, i-ano natin. Lagay natin dito. Ay, hinog na. Sobrang hinog na. Sobrang daming hinog. Oh, may mga dahon-dahon pa. Ito yung dahon ng apricot. Parang same lang din sila sa apple. Uy, may madaming may sira. Ano kaya? Ilagay ko lang ito. Parang sobrang laki nito. Transfer ko na lang kaya doon. Transfer ko na lang dito siguro. Ang dami. Kainin ko pa yan yung peach. Try na natin. Ito. Matamis naman to. Yan mo na. Try natin kainin to. Kain tayo guys. Peach. Yan. Pagluto na kasi, diba? I-peel mo lang na ganyan. Pag hinog na, luto. Hindi naman to niluluto. Pag hinog na yung peach, alam nyo, paborito ng nanay at tatay ko to. Sa Pilipinas, palagi sila bumibili ng ng peach. Mas matamis yung apricot. Huwag na to kasi sobrang laki ng tray na to. Yan. Ito na lang. Ang fruits natin. Banana. So, yung peach, huwag natin ilagay dito. Sobrang daming bunga. Doon. Lola is not picking up the apricot, no? She don't. This is she wait me first, no? To pick up. Hindi niya hinarvest. Inantay niya muna ako. Ayan. Pumunta naman yung ano natin dito. Masarap to. Mas matamis to kaysa sa peach. So, gawin natin tong jam. Pag sumobra na sa ripe, tapos hindi ko na kaya kainin, kasi ako lang naman kakain dito, guys. So, dami ko na naman kakainin. Thank you God, kahit pa paano lang. Libre yung prutas natin. So that's her daughter?
Yes.
She lives nearby here. You see that face?
No, I never saw her.
I never saw that too.
Which is only going until there, so.
Ah, now I know what that car is always there in the entrance. Ah, it's her daughter. Oh.
I was thinking before it's on
The son, the one.
the ground.
Your office mate, what do you call? So, ayan. Sobrang dami. Ayan. Yung iba, kakainin natin yun. Kasi, huwag kang magligid-ligid, ha. So, this one, kakainin ko to. Itong peach. Ayan. So, ito, kainin natin. And I will show you how it looks like. Yung apricot. Uy! 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 Huwag kang lumayo, ha. Huwag kang magligid-ligid. Diyos mio. So, ayan. I will show you what's inside this apricot. Okay. Halika dito. Lumapit ka. So, inside ng apricot, ganito siya. Ganyan. Chun. Katulad din siya sa peach. Yung ganito niya. Mas ibala. What do you mean? Ano bang ang peach? Ay medyo magaras-garas yung ano niya. Yung this is the seeds of the peach. May ganyan. Itong apricot naman, medyo ano siya. Smooth. Ayan. Tapos, yeah, pero mas matamis to. Mas bet ko to ang lasa nito. Paborito ko to eh. Yung lasa nitong apricot. Ayan. Sobrang tamis. Isa sa pinaka-paborito kong prutas to. Dito. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang tiyan ko. Laughing at it. Kakaintindi na yan. Alam mo, ha? So sweet. Very good. Masarap. Ito, lanta. Hindi siya lanta, but it's overripe. Tapos napatungan ng isang apricot. Ganyan siya. Masarap. Ay, pukot. So, pag nagsabay-sabay na yan, I will make a jam on that. Hindi naman natin pwede kainin lahat, oh. Mga ngasim ng sikmura ko. So, That's 11 na. Magla-lunch na. Ako ay tumitira pa rin dito. Ayan. There's some also eat the cover. Ang tamis. Sobrang dami pang ripe. Kaso, wala na akong magawa. Busog na po ako. Ayan. Tsaka, meron tayong, yan, nag-grill tayo. Umayon natin ng konti kasi grill tayo ng pork. Ayan. Sarap. Tingnan natin. Ipukok. Uy, my mother-in-law gave me something. Oh, Santos Papalales. I don't know. Solteniera Equinafico. Pues, what is this? So, yan. Bigay ni mother-in-law. Tapos, ito yung eggs. Wow, ang daming. Okay, for Beatrice. Ito ngayon gusto ni Beatrice, yung mini. Yogurt. Okay. So, kakain ako nito. Chia. Toothpaste for Beatrice. 6 plus. Okay. Ketchup. Lettuce. Ah, very good. Wala na akong lettuce. Toothpaste for Beatrice. Oh, what is the other one? Toothpaste too? This one. What is this? Oh, chia. Why so many chia? May isang pack pa ako ng chia dito eh. May tomato. Dami ni mother-in-law na pinamigay ah. Pinag-grocery ah. Paborito. Wow. Dalawa. For Beatrice. For her chocolate. Uy, another one. Wala naman kumakain ito masyado. KitKat ah. What do we have here? Ah, okay. Ooh. Okay. This one? What is that?
It's Majelica.
Meaning?
It's from the Holy Lala. Anyways, you will find it.
What did you...
Your Janetta.
Ah, yeah, I saw it.
Ah, I bring it.
Ah, it's free?
I pick it up from the nurse, yes.
Ah, very good.
That's why it took a bit longer, sorry.
It's
I have
okay.
to help out Lolo to pay some bills and I have to pay the insurance.
Thank you so much, Lolo, for everything.
And it's so heavy outside.
Okay. So, ayan. That's for our video for today. Nakakagala na tayo. Nahatid natin si Beatrice. Magsasampay ako ng aking nilabhan. Kumain na yung harvest na yung apricot. Kumain na tayo. Trabaho ulit. Sa bahay. O, diba? Thank you for watching.